Top sound. Small bill. Welcome to Get It Done Customz, the Mid-Atlantic region's #1 motorcycle audio leader. We bring crystal clear sound to every ride without draining your wallet. With Snap Finance, you can ride now and pay later. All credit types are welcome. Our expert team delivers top-tier installation, personalized service, and upgrades that fit your style and your budget. Whether it's audio, LEDs, or custom air rides, we help you stand out and turn heads. More than sound, it's a full-blown custom experience. Your bike deserves to be the main event. Let's get it done with style, sound, and simplicity. Appointments required. Order parts early. Get a quote now. Visit GetItDoneCustomz.com, where your ride gets loud.